Well, hello. It is Flano Friday. Your financial physicist here, continuing my budget series. Today, I want to talk about actually three things. I only talked about one thing yesterday, and I have to make it short. So, the one thing I didn't talk about yesterday was the opportunity for well cashed up investors to just carry the cost of the thing. And so, if you have a good cash deposit and you are positively geared, you can go and buy whatever property you want, as long as you're happy to carry any costs forward in your tax return. So that's one thing. The other two things I want to talk about today. The opportunities we have at the moment, other than that one, and new builds, is for SMSF purchases. Now, they are not restricted to new builds. It is a very long-term investment. You do need to seek advice from your accountant and financial planner. It's not for everyone. But if you are about 40 and you have worked since you're 18, you will have $300,000 to $400,000 in your super fund, industry, if you've been well paid. On that basis, and you're a married couple, there's sort of $600,000. Maybe it's not, maybe it's 500, maybe it's 400. But once you get that combined balance of about 400 grand, very worthwhile thinking about something you should fund. However, it is very long term, right? Because you want to hold those properties until you retire, so that when you sell, under the current rules, you sell and you pay no tax. So, but that's a very specific tax advice that I'm not giving you. That's just a general advice. The other opportunity is commercial properties. There's no restrictions on negative gearing for commercial properties. You don't need to buy new, or you can buy used property. You can buy property and you occupy yourself, something like that. Or your business can, sorry. There is a big opportunity for commercial property. But again, and we'll talk about CGT next week, the thing with commercial properties is they don't appreciate like residential. They don't have the growth and demand. So they are a very long-term asset, a bit like SMSF. You could buy a commercial property in your SMSF, just as another thing. And so they can go, they can sit and tick themselves over for many years, and they will probably be more generously taxed under the concessions that the government are proposing, as opposed to the old concessions we had, or what are existing at the moment. So there are three things. Well cashed up investors, SMSF, and commercial property. Definitely one thing thinking about. If you want to, give me a reach out. Okay, thanks. Bye.